turn the bed screws so the springs are fully compressed. And the same goes for the bed screws in the back. Now mark the edges of the wheels with a marker or a sticky note. Now turn each wheels clockwise 4 times. From fully compressed to fully decompressed, it is 9 full turns. This gives you a starting point roughly in the middle. And continue to do so with the wheels in the back. You are now done with the pre-adjustment. Now you are ready for the next step. The final step is to do the manual nozzle to bed adjustment. Start by adjusting so that the nozzle barely touches the bed. Do all the corners approximately 4 to 5 times to get it as much accurate as possible. The distance does not matter, as long as it is the same in all 4 corners. Keep adjusting at each corner until you do not need to adjust anymore. When there is no more adjustment, you have finished the manual bed leveling. The last thing to do before setting the Z offset is to do an auto bed mesh. The bed mesh compensates for small deviances on the bed. You are now ready to adjust the Z offset. Hope this tutorial was useful. More prints, less headaches. Thanks for watching.
I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Subscribe for more. See you in the next one.